I've said this in every video in this series so far, and I'm going to keep saying it because it's the thing most store owners still haven't internalized. Your product feed is your new storefront. When an AI agent goes shopping for a customer, it doesn't visit your website. It doesn't see your homepage. It reads a structured data file, your product feed, and decides in milliseconds whether your product is worth recommending. A UCPHub production audit found that AI shopping assistants ignored over 40% of a store's inventory because the feed lacked structured attributes and stable identifiers. 40% of products, invisible. Not ranked low, not on page 2, gone. The stores with complete, structured, accurate product data are getting recommended. The stores with sparse feeds are getting skipped. And once AI agents develop a preference for a competitor's products over yours, that preference compounds. Every recommendation they make builds more sales data, which feeds higher popularity scores, which drives more recommendations. So this video is the deep dive. Every field that matters, how to format it, and what to prioritize first. If you only implement one thing from this entire series, make it this. If we haven't met already, I am the digital avatar of Steve, the founder of e-commerce agency Working Digital. While he is helping Shopify brands scale with AI, I am here to keep you up to date with the latest AI strategies for e-commerce. Steve reads every comment, so make sure to drop one below. Shopify uses the term golden record to describe a product listing where every available attribute is filled out completely and accurately. Their research shows stores with 99% or higher attribute completion see 3 to 4 times higher AI visibility than stores with incomplete data. That number 99% sounds like perfection, and it is. But it's achievable perfection because Shopify gives you a finite number of fields. It's not open-ended. You fill out what they give you, and you fill it out well. A golden record includes your product title, description, product type, vendor, tags, all variant information, pricing for every variant, inventory quantities, weight, and dimensions, images with alt text, SEO title and meta description, GTINs or barcodes, metafields for category-specific attributes, and Google product category. Every one of those fields exists in your Shopify admin right now. Most stores have maybe 60% of them filled out, some have less. The gap between 60% and 99% is the gap between invisible and recommended. And the work to close it isn't complicated. It's just thorough. I want to be honest about something. When I first started auditing stores for AI readiness, I expected the issues to be technical, complex schema problems, server configuration issues, things that require a developer. The reality is different. Most stores are invisible to AI because someone left the GTN field blank, or wrote a 2-sentence product description, or used creative titles that no shopper would ever type into an AI assistant. The fixes are straightforward. The discipline to do them for every single product is what separates stores that show up from stores that don't. Your product title is the first thing AI evaluates when matching your product against a shopper's question. The match is almost literal. If a shopper asks ChatGPT best lightweight waterproof hiking jacket for women under $150, the AI is looking for titles that contain those words. Women's lightweight waterproof hiking jacket matches. The Summit Collection Series 3 Alpine does not. Most brands write titles for their own website. They use collection names, internal product codes, creative branding language. All of that is invisible to an AI agent trying to match a query. The AI doesn't know what your Alpine collection is. It can't infer that Series 3 inches means lightweight. It needs the actual words. The format that works, or primary attribute plus product type plus key differentiator. Women's lightweight waterproof hiking jacket. Packable, 3-layer construction. That title matches dozens of natural language queries. Someone asking about lightweight jackets finds it. Someone asking about waterproof jackets finds it. Someone asking about packable hiking gear finds it. Keep titles under 150 characters. Front load the most important attributes. Include the specific product type in plain language. Skip brand names in the title unless your brand is the primary search term. Shoppers aren't asking AI for your brand name unless they already know you exist. One thing I see constantly in audits. Stores that use all caps, special characters, or emoji in product titles. AI models can parse these, but they treat them as noise. Clean natural language titles outperform stylized ones every time. Rewriting your titles is the single highest ROI task in this entire video. It takes 5 minutes per product and directly determines whether AI agents can match your product against shopper queries. AI agents read product descriptions differently than humans do. A human reads your description linearly, absorbing the tone and the story. An AI agent scans for extractable facts. Materials, dimensions, weight, capacity, compatibility, care instructions, intended use, included accessories. Every fact you include is a potential match point. Every fact you leave out is a question the AI can't answer, which means it recommends someone else whose description does answer it. Structure your descriptions with the most important factual information in the first 6,000 characters. ChatGPT's shopping model evaluates this block specifically. Front-load specifications before storytelling. The format that works best for AI extraction. Lead with a 1 to 2 sentence summary of what the product is and who it's for. Follow with bullet-style specifications, materials, dimensions, weight, capacity. Then include use cases and scenarios. Then care instructions and warranty information. A real example. Instead of our beautiful handcrafted mug brings warmth to your morning routine, write 16 ounces double-wall insulated ceramic travel mug, keeps coffee hot for 4 hours, dishwasher safe, BPA-free silicone lid with splash guard, fits standard car cup holders. The second version answers 6 questions an AI agent might need to resolve. The first version answers 0. Include comparative information where relevant. Holds 20% more than standard 12 ounces mugs. AI agents often evaluate products against alternatives, and giving them the comparison data makes their job easier. When their job is easier, they recommend you. Write descriptions that are at least 300 words for every product. Anything shorter leaves too many questions unanswerable. Aim for 500 to 800 words on your top-selling products. Every sentence should contain at least one extractable fact. Product identifiers are how AI platforms verify your products are real. GTINs, UPCs, EANs, MPNs, ISBNs, these aren't optional fields you can ignore. AI platforms use them to cross-reference your product against Google Shopping, manufacturer databases, and other merchant listings. A product without a GTIN looks unverifiable to AI. It might still get recommended based on other signals, but you're starting at a disadvantage. If your product has a manufacturer barcode, enter it. If you make your own products and don't have GTINs, you can purchase them through GS1. It costs about $250 for the first year and covers up to 10 products, worth every dollar for AI visibility. Metafields are where most Shopify stores fall short. Standard product fields don't cover everything AI agents want to know about category-specific products. Shopify metafields let you add structured attributes beyond what the default fields support. For apparel, fabric composition, fit type, care instructions, country of origin, size chart reference, season, occasion. For home goods, material, room type, assembly required, weight capacity, dimensions in every format. For food and beverage, ingredients, allergens, serving size, shelf life, storage instructions, certifications, each metafield becomes a piece of structured data that AI agents can query directly. When a shopper asks, "Is this jacket machine washable?" the AI can answer immediately if you've put care instructions in a metafield. Without it, the AI has to parse your full description and hope it finds the answer. The Shopify admin makes metafield creation straightforward. Go to Settings, then Custom Data, then Products. Create a definition for each attribute your products need, then fill them out for every product. The initial setup takes an afternoon. Maintaining it takes seconds per new product going forward. SKUs matter too. Every variant needs a unique SKU. AI platforms use SKUs to track inventory accuracy across channels. If your SKUs are duplicated or missing, that's a data consistency flag that can reduce your visibility. Tags and Google product categories are the two fields with the highest gap between how stores use them and how they should be used. Most stores use generic tags: new arrival, sale, summer. These create zero match opportunities for AI agents. Nobody asks ChatGPT to find me a new arrival. They ask for specific attributes, use cases, and characteristics. Effective tags are descriptive and specific. For a t-shirt, cotton, unisex, graphic tee, heavyweight, oversized fit, crew neck, screen printed, streetwear. Each tag is a potential match against a shopper's query. Someone asking for heavyweight cotton graphic tees can now find your product because the tags contain every word in that query. Use 10 to 15 tags per product. Make each one a specific searchable attribute. Think about how a real person would describe the product to a friend and use those words as tags. Google product categories are separate from tags and serve a different purpose. They tell AI platforms what your product is at a categorical level. Shopify lets you assign Google's taxonomy to every product. This classification feeds directly into Google AI mode and influences how other platforms categorize your products. Don't pick the broadest category available. Go deep. Apparel and accessories, clothing, shirts and tops, t-shirts is infinitely more useful than just apparel. The more specific your category assignment, the better AI platforms understand what you sell and when to recommend it. Every product needs a category assigned. Every one. Products without categories get lumped into generic buckets where competition is highest and match specificity is lowest. If you have 200 products and can't do everything at once, here's the order. Start with your top 20 products by revenue. These are the products most likely to generate sales from AI referrals because they already have demand signals. Optimizing 20 products to golden record status is achievable in a single focus day. Within those 20 products, fix in this order. First, rewrite titles to match natural language queries, 5 minutes per product. Immediate impact on matchability. Second, add GTINs to every product that has a manufacturer barcode. Third, expand descriptions to at least 300 words with front-loaded specifications. Fourth, add metafields for category-specific attributes. Fifth, rewrite tags to be specific and descriptive. Sixth, assign detailed Google product categories. After your top 20 are complete, move to the next 20, then the next. Build a habit into your product creation workflow so every new product launches at golden record quality from day one. The mistake most stores make is trying to do one optimization across all products instead of doing all optimizations on a smaller set. A product that's 100% complete gets recommended. A product that's 70% complete might not. Getting 20 products to 100% beats getting all 200 products to 80%. Track your progress. Shopify's product listing quality reports show you exactly which fields are incomplete across your catalog. Use that as your checklist. When that report shows 99% completion on your priority products, you're done. Every field you complete makes every other field more effective. A great title with no description gets matched but not recommended. A complete description with a vague title never gets matched in the first place. Metafields without proper identifiers can't be cross-referenced. Tags without the right category get matched to the wrong queries. The compound effect is what makes the golden record standard so powerful. When everything is complete, AI agents can confidently recommend your product for dozens of different queries. Each query generates traffic. Each sale improves your popularity score. Each improvement in popularity score generates more recommendations. I've seen this play out repeatedly with clients. The stores that commit to complete product data see results within 2 weeks, not months, weeks, because the AI platforms are already looking for products to recommend. The demand exists, the shoppers are asking questions. The only thing missing is your data. If you want to know exactly which fields are incomplete and what to fix first, I'll do that audit for free. Link in the description. In next video, we're covering how to use Shopify's knowledge base app to feed verified brand information directly to AI shopping platforms. The product feed handles your product data. The knowledge base handles everything else.